Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Fireballs. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing rapid fire cannon. I'll just fire it and show you. So I recommend before you start building the cannon, switch off TNT explodes, okay? Enable cheats and switch off TNT explodes. It'll really help, and you should probably do this in a flat world. Anyways, so let's begin. First you should crouch on a 2-block platform like I've made, connect it, and shortly after connect it to that, and so as you can see, that was great, and you can just switch this on and break it and switch that off. Yeah, so now that is the rapid fire TNT cannon, and I'll just show you how to make it. Yeah, so first things, you'll need a dispenser, a redstone repeater, water bucket, oak pressure plate, lever, TNT, redstone, fence of your choice, and block of your choice. So first we will place 3 dispensers, and then place 3 dispensers on top of the fences I just put. So it should be something like this, as you can see. Then we will place 2 blocks next to each other, and in front of that we will put fences here and pressure plates on top of those fences. So after doing that, you will put water, as you can see, between those 2 blocks. So now we have that, and you can create a platform here from which you do the whole control thing. So we'll just crouch and place redstone on top of the dispenser. If you don't crouch, it'll open the menu, which we don't want. And now we have to create that weird rapid thing. So first you place a redstone repeater like this, and then like this, and connect it to redstone from both sides, and do something like this. Then you place a block here and put a lever on top of that, and just double tap it very quickly. If you tap it too slowly, nothing will happen, as you can see, but you can easily fix that by simply double tapping it quickly, and then the weird thing will start happening. Now we've done that. Now I'll just go fill the dispensers with some TNT. Yeah, so that was the last dispenser, and now we have it ready. Now all you have to do is stand on this platform, connect this to redstone, and shortly after connect those to redstone. So as you can see, that was the rapid blast. Now we can easily switch it off. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video and this helped you, please subscribe and leave a like.